Let's learn where to use this and these. Shall we go? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. So, use of this and these. We are going to see the topic. And this and these are used for things which are near us. This and these are used for things which are near us. Uh, this is used for one object and this is used for many objects. This is used for one object and this is used for many objects. This is used for one object. This is used for one object. We'll check with some examples. This is a pen. This is a pad. This is a cat. These are the example for this. Go for these. This is used for many objects. This is used for many objects. We'll check with some examples. These are pens. These are bags. These are cats. Let's try some fill in the blanks with these or these. Dash is a car. Dash or cars. Dash is a bell. Dash or bells. Dash is a book. Dash or books. Dash is a ant. Dash or ant. Let us check with the answers. This is a car. These are cars. This is a bell. These are bells. This is a book. These are books. This is an ant. These are ants.